Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a very fun product to try out, and this is from the brand Jecca Blac, and it's the Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face. Vegan friendly, cruelty free, that I have here in the shade Rose Pearl. And this is one of the products from my July 2022 BoxyCharm base box. But this has a retail value of $20. And I am so excited to see how this is going to look on my skin and how it's going to look under makeup, because it sounds to me like a liquid highlighter that's a primer. It's supposed to prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy, natural glow. Apply all over the face using your fingertips before makeup. Okay, so Glow Drops makes me think it's going to be a liquid highlighter, but maybe it actually doesn't necessarily have to have shimmer in it, just a glowy primer. So we are going to find out. But then the shade Rose Pearl makes me think it's going to be like a highlighter. Oh my goodness, yes, it looks like a liquid highlighter. But I'm just going to go ahead and try this out by applying it to half of my face so that we can compare the difference. Ooh. I kind of feel like I may have used too much because it blends really easily. Like, it's a nice thin formula that blends far. And it definitely does look like a liquid highlighter. Maybe a little bit more sheer than a regular liquid highlighter, but it definitely has like pearly metallic finish, which is what I was expecting, so I'm really happy to see this. It creates a beautiful glow on the skin, but definitely a more like, looks a little too greasy if I were to just wear this on my skin alone. But it is really smoothing too. So it seems to have good primer qualities for the skin as well. Like a little too greasy of a look to wear alone on my face, but I think this would be beautiful just wearing alone on like the shoulders, on the body, because if you can see, I still have it like on my finger here, like just to give that glisten reflection to the skin, because it's not a sparkle glitter glow, it's that metallic sheen kind of glow, which when it catches the light looks so flattering on the body. And now I'm going to apply my foundation on top, and this is the foundation that I review all of my primers with. It's the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation, and this is also a great foundation for me to try this out with because it has no glow or shimmer or anything like that to it on its own. It is just a matte foundation, but it does let you really see how the skin is underneath. So that's why I always use this to review primers. And now before I actually apply it on top of the glow primer, I'm going to apply it to the side of my face without the primer so that I don't mix any of that glow in and we can have a more true comparison. But yeah, definitely matte, a dull finish. And so now that I have the foundation applied to the side of my face without the primer, oh my gosh, look at that difference in glow. Oh my goodness. Now let's see how the foundation looks on top of this glowy primer. It's sticking on nicely, blending out really nicely. And I feel like you want to use more of like a medium coverage foundation with something like this so that you actually get that glow to peek through. So do you notice a difference? It's definitely a more subtle difference than I was expecting. And my skin, like underneath, even before this, it wasn't like completely dry. So there is still a little bit of glow just naturally peeking through, but Wow, I definitely see more glow still on the side with the primer. Especially I feel like the cheek is much more glistening, but I love the finish because it no longer looks too glowy and greasy. It's the perfect amount of natural glow, natural radiance, and there's no visible shimmer or anything like that. Like, you can't even tell that there is a glowy product underneath the foundation aside from just healthy, radiant skin. So I love that. Natural yet glowy. That is exactly my ideal type of skin that I want to get. And I also really want to see how this is just alone on top of makeup as a liquid highlighter. But since we know a little goes a long way, I am just going to try and take like the tiniest little bit here. And first I'll apply it to the side without the primer. And let's see. Oh my gosh. That is actually looking so nice on the skin. It's not lifting the foundation, which is great. And it's giving a glass skin effect with such beautiful shine, but not looking glittery. And this is exactly my favorite type of highlight. I just picked up a little bit more because it's not an extremely blinding highlight. You can definitely use a heavy hand with it, use a lot of it, and it blends out really nicely. Yeah, I actually am surprised. That's much more of a subtle glow than I was expecting. And I am blown away by how smooth the texture of this is. Sometimes, especially liquid highlighters can really emphasize texture, but this is like smoothing the skin out even more. This is exactly the texture of highlighter that I am always looking for. Just the most smooth, undetectable, skin-like finish that doesn't lift the makeup, but reflects the light in such a smooth, glowy way. Like, my skin looks so naturally radiant, but super radiant. Like, there's no way I could have this much natural radiance, yet it somehow looks so natural. Oh my gosh, I don't know which way I like it more, underneath or on top of the foundation. I guess both. I am truly blown away by this beautiful formula, this beautiful texture, just the most soft, radiant glow. I love how my skin looks right now. I am so curious to hear how this works for other people with their skin and their makeup. So if you've tried this out, please let me know what you think of it and how it worked for you in the comments down below. But I really do expect this to be a product that people will love because I think it is just so impressive. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.